Hi, this is Dennis Fassett, the Cashflow Mercenary. Welcome to another installment of Cashflow Mercenary Television. I'm on the way out to Mount Clemens this rainy, crappy morning to look at an apartment building. The one that I'm in the process of putting together an investment group to buy. I'm going to do a kind of a pre-inspection inspection to get some more information. What I like to do when I put together these partnerships is get as much information as possible into the hands of the investment group before we commit any money or much time. That includes an earnest money deposit. And because of the uniqueness of the way this deal is happening, because of the foreclosure and everything else, it gives us some time to really do some kind of additional due diligence ahead of having to put in an earnest money deposit, which is kind of nice. So I'm going over there today, meeting my contractor solution man, and we're going to take a look at the vacant units to really assess what the damage is. Not that what the spruce up is necessary, because none of them are really damaged. So we can really fine-tune our numbers, so we'll know really what our repair costs are going to be and what our working capital costs are going to be, because the building is not going to be cash flow positive when we close on it. I think the numbers were 2 more units occupied, and then we'd be a little above break even, so that'll be a good thing. That'll happen fairly quickly after we get the buildings, or after we get the units kind of spruced up. I've done some pre-marketing already on the units, and I had some great interest on them. I don't think there's going to be any trouble at all getting the things re-rented. So I'm very bullish on the prospects for this building and the returns that it's going to throw off. So that's a really good thing. But in terms of partnership groups, it's really important, I think, to treat partnership folks appropriately. On this one especially. I mean, this is a rainy, crappy 40-degree morning here in southeastern Michigan. The weather's really bad. I know that the folks in the investor group are going to want to get to see the inside of the building, but to be honest, I live in the kind of the middle of the area. Who the heck is going to want to go all the way out to Mount Clemens on a day like today just to see the inside of a 12 or 13 unit apartment building with a couple of vacancies? It's just not going to happen. So I'm going to take some video when I get over there, take some pictures, and so when I sit down with the investment group next week, I'll be able to show them, give them a good idea of what they're getting into without them having to go visit it and do a lot of the site visits and the due diligence themselves. I mean, it's supposed to be a passive income for them. I want to make it as passive as possible and as little amount of work as possible for the investment group. So I'll post this video later today, and the videos of the inside and the other videos I'll take next week. So you'll get to see what we're getting ourselves into on this deal. Like I said, I'm really bullish on it. It's got a ton of potential, and anything over a 20% ROI is a good thing for me. So this is Dennis Fassett, the Cashflow Mercenary. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll talk again soon.